Hey everyone, it's Anna and today I'm doing a grocery haul video. I really love watching other people's grocery hauls. I think I'm just very nosy. I just like to see what other people are buying, what areas they're from, that kind of thing. So just a little bit of demographic information. I currently live in Northern California. My household consists of 2 adults and 1 elderly dog. And at the time of this particular haul, we were mostly relying on stores that offered grocery pickup. So this time around, I shopped at both Target and Whole Foods. The Target here is not a super Target, it is a regular Target, but it has a pretty decent grocery section. I also feel that Target, for me at least, has the most positive grocery and merchandise pickup experience. We do have a Walmart store here, but again, it is a regular Walmart. That's not something I'm used to. Most of the Walmart stores in Ohio are super Walmarts. I haven't seen a regular sized Walmart in years. The one that we have is just regular Walmart, no huge grocery section. They have pantry items and they have some refrigerated and frozen items, but no fresh produce, no fresh meat, anything like that. So I do live in a place with a lot of stores, but they do present their own limitations. Let me show you what I got. So here is what I got at Target. I spent $54.32. We've got some ricotta cheese. I want to make some calzones this week, so that is what that's for. Sour cream, mayonnaise, and ranch seasoning because I'm going to be making some potato salad. That's what the bacon for as well. Also, bacon is good. So I've got a 5-pack of Kraft macaroni and cheese. I'd love to keep these on hand, and we were down to our last box, and Target had this on sale for $4.79. Back there is just Dottie's food from Chewy. I got a couple of these salad kits, Southwest and maple bourbon bacon. I really love these salad kits because I do love a fancy salad, but I don't love having to buy all the ingredients individually, especially because we have a small household. I'm not gonna be able to eat all of them if I purchase all of the vegetables and all of the dressings and toppings that go in them. So that for me, they are a really good deal. I got a box of Power Crunch bars, some Dunkin' coffee beans. I've got 2 packs of sparkling water, 1 ginger peach, and 1 strawberry mango. I think the Good and Gather brand from Target has some really good flavor combinations. I got some socks because I needed socks. And then I got some of these floss picks for tight teeth. I would recommend these. That's what we got so far. So here is what I got at Whole Foods today. We've got a pound of ground beef, a steak. This we will probably grill and eat as one meal, and then the rest of it will turn into steak tacos or something like that. We've got a pretty big package of ham. I already ate some for lunch. This was the same price as the smaller package, so of course I just went with the bigger one. I might have to freeze some of it. We've got some frozen hash browns. My sister-in-law made this amazing, I'm sure you've had it, hash brown casserole, kind of like Cracker Barrel, around Christmas time, and I've been craving it again. So I went ahead and got some hash browns so that I can make it. Frozen pineapple chunks. I really do like to keep these in hand. I did get a piece of cake. So I've really been craving chocolate cake lately and didn't want to bake a whole cake. So I just got 1 for Ed and I to split. Some sliced mushrooms, 4 mandarin oranges. The other option was to buy like a 5-pound bag, and there's no way we would have gone through that in time. 1.5 pounds of carrots, some green onions. I already used some of those in the potato salad. Got a loaf of sourdough bread, a case of Topo Chico. Yes, I already bought sparkling water at Target. That's my sparkling water of choice. This is Ed's sparkling water of choice, although I do like it too, but this will last us for a while. We've got 4 bananas, 5 pounds of russet potatoes. I used the rest of the potatoes that I had in the potato salad I made today, and we want to have baked potatoes with our steak. And potatoes are just really good to have on hand in general. What did I spend on this? Hold on. It's really hard to tell because I don't think that the receipt that they sent me was quite right. I think this was around $85, but if I have a different number, I will put it on the screen now. What am I gonna do with all this? We're gonna do burgers and potato salad. We'll probably do burgers twice because I did get enough meat to do that. Some grilled cheese and this zesty crock-pot tomato soup that I've made before. It's really good. I wanna make some calzones. Actually, that reminds me, I skipped over something in the list. I also got some pepperoni for those calzones as well as some provolone cheese. I don't know how I skipped over that. We're also gonna do steak and baked potatoes like I said before, and we'll probably end up maybe making the rest of the steak either into a steak salad or some steak tacos. I usually plan like 4 or 5 meals for the week just to leave some extra room for things like takeout. The list below here, those are just more kind of like lunch ideas. I already made this lemon chicken orzo soup So I do have some of that left over and I can heat that up for lunches. So that's what I picked up for about a week's worth of groceries. I would say cost-wise, this was just a little bit above average. You could see that I had some non-food items. I had a little bit higher ticket items like the Topo Chico and the steak. As far as the meal plan goes, we actually did follow all of it. We did burgers twice. We ended up grilling the steak for one dinner and then taking the leftovers and making them into burrito bowls. Some weeks we do a little bit better than others. Sometimes it's a combination of homemade and takeout. Sometimes it's leftovers or whatever we're feeling like. Quick convenience meals, that kind of thing. We're all doing our best out here, right? Would you like to see more grocery hauls from me? I do have a lot of interesting grocery stores around, so if you would like to see that, please let me know. If you did like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I post new content every single week. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Ba-ba-da-ba-ba.